Okay, so in this tutorial I want to show you how to add control points in the body plan view here. It's very similar to adding in the plan view. So I'm going to do the same as what I did before. I'm going to enlarge the body plan window, and this time I'm going to take the triangle, the little black triangle, and I'm going to click all the way back here towards the transom and click the very last one. So this is what the shape of the transom looks like here, and the light blue line here is our control line. So we're going to add control points along this line here and up here, again keeping the control points quite close to the design grid. So I'm just gonna, you gotta be quite careful, so I'm gonna add one there, one there, and I'm just gonna do this all the way along there, and then I'm going to come up the sides here. And you can see the more control points you have, the shape changes. Now you can see that they waver a little bit, but I'm not going to worry too much about that, because in a minute we're going to just start dragging these all around and we can start to make them more in line. But if I minimize this window here, in our perspective view you can actually see the shape has changed all the way down, and it's created a nice flat bottom by adding all these control points in at the end. Nice flat bottom, and we've sort of ended up with a bit of a chine running through it. One thing that you can see as well is if we click through these little triangles, you can see that the control points have added in all the way down, but quite a few of them have joined together, especially when you get closer. They are there, they're just sat on top of each other. So when you start dragging them, you might find that if you drag that one, there'll be another one exactly underneath it. Also, you'll see that the line here and here is starting to come in at the shear, and this is called Tumblehome. If you wanted to make this out of composites, this would be very tricky mould to build, because the Tumblehome is stopping the boat coming out the mould. Obviously it's wider at this point here than this point, so as you try to extract the hull from the mould, it's actually getting bigger as it comes vertically up out the mould. So Tumblehome is a thing, and it has its benefits for certain reasons, but when you're designing your boat you may want to try and eliminate Tumblehome so that it's easier to manufacture. So that's the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll have a look at dragging the points around, and we'll also look at our hydrostatic data. Okay, thank you for watching.